Hi guys, this is Subhash here, a Biker Baba Vlogs, and you guys are most welcome into my YouTube channel. I'm a Goan YouTuber. So today I am at Candolim here. This is Candolim area. I'll try to show you the nightlife of North Goa, Candolim, Calangute, Baga. I'll try to show you all those places, and if I got chance I'll go little bit further also. Okay, if you like this video guys, please do subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos. Okay then, let's go guys. So guys, this is Candolim and this road will go to the Calangute. So we'll go to the Sinquerim first, this area, and let's see what we can see there. Okay, let's go. So guys, this is Sinquerim Taj Hotel. I will go back from here to the Candolim and Calangute. So it's 10:14 now. So guys, this road will take me to the Candolim beach. Let's see what's going on the beach now. this is parking area of the beach here at Candolim. So let's go on the beach now. Okay guys, welcome to Candolim beach here in North Goa, and these are the tourists. It's very crowded beach here, and the other side is Calangute and Baga. Little bit further, shacks are open, everything is open. It's at 10:30 exactly at Candolim beach, and those are the guests, tourists, and that's the Taj hotel from where I've come, and Agwad fort there little bit further. So it makes a lot of difference in North Goa and South Goa. Lots of tourists here compared to South Goa, as a nightlife and day life also. People like to have fun in North Goa, but in South Goa it's not like that. All the restaurants on the way are totally full at Candolim. Okay, now I'll head towards Calangute. Let's see what we can see on the way. Then I will go to the beach there. Okay, let's go guys. So guys, this road will go to the beach, then the road to the Baga also, little bit further. Okay, let's go to the beach now. This is Calangute, and I'll tell you what, it's almost 10:50 now. guys, I found the parking area here. I'll park my bike and start walking this way on the beach. So guys, this is the tourist, same like Candolim beach also. Let's go on the beach and try to see there also. So guys, this is Calangute beach here, and you guys are most welcome on Calangute beach here. So I see it's a lot of crowd here at this place, more than Candolim beach. Lots of people. I'll go little bit further there on the beach and try to show you something else also. So guys, Biker Baba welcomes you at the Calangute beach here in North Goa on Sunday, October 17, 2021. It's a lots of tourists here at this place at Calangute beach here. It's a more than Candolim beach. Just now we have come from the Candolim beach also, and these are the lots of tourists compared to Candolim. And after this we'll go to the Baga also. And so this is North Goa, guys. You won't be able to see this crowd in South Goa anywhere else like here. So it's a huge beach. Candolim is this side and the Baga is behind me this side here. So it's a lots of crowd here. It's like thousands of people have gathered for have fun here in this place. So no one is swimming at this time. It's not allowed, I think, to swim at this time on the beach here at Calangute. So all shacks are open. These are shacks, guys, here. I love Goa, full of guests. So guys, I was at that place, other side there, and this is other side of the beach of Calangute, and that's I love you shack or something here, and it's a dance party is going on here in this thing. You see. There are 3-4 shacks at the same place. They play music and dance there, and lot of tourists at this place. It's a huge beach in North Goa, Calangute, and Baga is little bit further. Okay, let's go to the Baga beach from here now. Let's see what we can see there as well. Okay guys, I have done on Calangute beach. Now I'm heading towards Baga beach. From here I'll just take my bike there. It's 3 kilometers away from there. Let's see what's going on that beach also. So guys, this is a Baga here, and this is parking area. We'll go on the beach now. That's the car parking, that area. So we'll go on the beach from here, this way. Let's see, I can see a few guests here, not too much. Let's go and check it out on the beach there. So guys, welcome to Baga beach. This is Baga here. So it's exactly 12 o'clock in this Baga beach. So I'll show you the beach here and the crowd also at this place. So this is the last area of the beach, and that's the Arpora area other side. So let's go other side and let's see what we can see there. So guys, this is Baga beach. Crowd is there but not much. It's a St. Anthony's restaurant and bar. So only few people are here, maybe some left. I think it's already 12 o'clock. So we'll go little bit further that side also and try to see what we can see there. All restaurants are full here, but people are not on the beach. They are having dinner, most of the tourists. So all the Indian tourists here. That's a Calangute other side. Before we were there, but from here I can see a lot of people in that other places there. There's a lot of way to come on the beach from the different areas on this beach. So all the area is covered with the tourists from further also. This side is the last point here. This side is little bit empty, but the further there's a lot of tourists there. You won't be able to see in the video at night. Okay guys, we'll go from here. So it's 12:10 here, and I'm almost out of Baga beach now. So I'm heading to my home from here. It's almost 60 kilometers away from here. Okay guys. So guys, I'm almost home now from Baga, Calangute, Candolim beaches in North Goa. So I try to show you all those places there. So lots of difference between South Goa and North Goa tourism guys. So if you like this video, please do subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos. Okay then, thanks for watching. Bye bye. See you in the next video guys.